This is my Lincoln Mark LT project. So far, what I've done with the truck is I've changed all 4 doors on it, because the previous doors that it had, they were all dinged up and they were repainted and not a good condition. They weren't painted right. As you can see, this right here, eventually I'm gonna have all of it repainted. You can see here are the original doors that it had. This fender was all messed up from here, from this side. So went to the junkyard and slapped the one I got it from the junkyard. See if I can find the old fender. It's all behind all this crap right here. I'm still deciding whether to keep the chrome on it or remove it for good, or but God, it's hot out here. Anyways, I did put new rims on it and tires, and I am gonna install fenders on it, because it does come out like a good 2 inches. But you can see I am waiting on the mail for a motor for the window, because it doesn't move. I mean, it doesn't come down or up, so waiting on that. But what I am going to install today is a new grill, because this one has seen better days and it's about to fall apart. So I am going to install a new aftermarket one that I bought from eBay. Okay, here is the new grill that I will be installing. These are daytime running lights. I have no idea how to install, but I have installed radio, aftermarket radio on this truck, so pretty sure it's not that difficult. But yeah, that's the idea. What I don't like is it is plastic, but you get what you pay for. I think it looks pretty good.